sometimes it's useful to extract parts from a longer field. And we're going to illustrate how to do this by extracting the number from the customer number. So highlight K5, as I've done already, and then click on the FX in the formula bar to bring up the formula builder window or window pane. And again, you know this will look slightly differently on a Windows machine. Look for the function write and highlight it. And you'll see that write takes two arguments, namely a text from which we will extract a number of characters and then the number of characters we want to extract. So we want to extract something from A5 and we want to extract the three rightmost characters. So let's put A5 in the first argument, 3 in the second argument, and then click done. And what you'll see is that it has indeed extracted the three rightmost characters. And as before, we can copy this formula down to do the same thing for all of the other fields in the column. Now, there's a number of other functions, such as left, to extract a given number of characters from the left of a field, and mid, which extracts a certain number of characters from a field starting at a given starting point. You may want to experiment with these functions. And just as we sometimes want to extract parts of a field, we sometimes want to create new fields that combine parts of or entire other fields. In this case, we will illustrate this by combining the company name with the customer ID. And the process of putting strings together is called concatenation. So we're going to highlight L5, then go into FX and look for the function concatenate. Here it is. And you'll see that it takes at least two arguments. The first one we want is company name. Then we want to have company name hyphen, and then we click on the plus to get a third field, which in this case is customer ID. Oops, hyphen. Click here and then on A5 and then do done. And then we'll get rid of this so that we can go back to where we are. And you see what has happened. It has taken hungry owl, added a hyphen, and then added the customer ID. And again, we can drag this down if we want. And you'll see that it does the same for all of the other fields in the row as well.